I'm so happy, Fair Hippolyta. Our nuptial hour is coming soon.
Happy birthday, Zeus, a renowned duke.
Thanks, good James. What's your news?
I am very angry against my child, my daughter Hermia. Come here, Demetrius. My noble lord, this man has my consent to marry her. Come here, Lysander. And my gracious duke, this man has taken my daughter's heart, and now she doesn't obey me anymore. And my gracious duke, if she doesn't consent to marry with Demetrius, I beg the ancient privilege of Athens. Because she's my daughter, I can do with her what I want. According to our law, either marry with this gentleman or I ask her death, immediately.
What do you say, Hermia? Think about it, my fair maid. To you, your father should be as a god. Demetrius is a worthy gentleman.
So is Lysander. I wish my father looked with my eyes.
But your eyes must look with his judgment. If you refuse to wed Demetrius, you must either die or to renounce forever the society of men.
Be smart, sweet Hermia. And Lysander, don't pretend her. My right is stronger than your mad pretension.
You have her father's love, Demetrius. Let me have Hermia's, you marry her father.
Scornful Lysander. True, he has my love, and because she is mine, I'll give her to Demetrius.
I am, my lord, as good as he is. I am also rich, and my love is more than his. And beauty Hermia loves me. Why can't I have my right? Demetrius also pretended Hermia's friend Helena, and won her soul. And Helena, sweet lady, loves in idolatry this constant man.
Fair Hermia, look for yourself, to feed your desire to your fathers, or else the law of Athens will condemn you to death or to become a nun.
I have a rich widow aunt, with a lot of money and no child, and she respects me as her only son. She has a house outside Athens, and in that place, the hard law of Athens cannot punish you, and we could marry there. If you really love me, then leave your father's house tomorrow night, and in the good, I'll wait for you in the place where I met you once with your friend Helena.
My dear Lysandra, I swear you, in this place you tell me, for sure I'll be there.
Keep your promise, love. Look, here comes Helena.
Hello, fair Helena. Where are you going?
Do you call me fair? Don't call me fair again. Demetrius loves your fair. Oh, teach me how you move Demetrius' heart.
The more I hate him, the more he follows me.
The more I love him, the more he hates me.
His fullness, Helena, is not fault of mine.
None, but your beauty is. Would that fault be mine?
Take it easy. He won't see my face anymore. Lysandra and me will leave this place. We will meet tomorrow night in that place in the wood where we once met, to avoid Athens' law. Goodbye, my dear friend. Pray for us, and good luck with Demetrius. Keep your word, Lysandra. Nobody must see us as lovers till tomorrow, deep midnight.
I will, my Hermia.
Helena, adieu. I wish Demetrius loved you the way you do.
I will tell Demetrius about Hermia plans, and he will follow her tomorrow night to the wood. If I have my chance, he will thank me for that, and I will pay only for that. And he will look back on me again.
The King Oberon is coming here tonight. Take care that the king doesn't see your Queen Titania, because he is very angry with her, since she has taken as her attendant the same lovely boy that Oberon wanted for himself. She is very pleased with that boy, and the king is very jealous of him. But go away, little fairy, the king is coming. So my queen is.
What are you doing here, Bro Titania?
Oh, jealous Oberon. Fairies, go away from here. I don't love him anymore.
How long do you intend to be in this wood?
Maybe until the day after Theseus' wedding day. If you want to stay here and look passionately over dance, remain. If not, leave us alone and I won't bother you.
Give me that boy and I will come with you.
Not for your fairy kingdom. Fairies, let's go. If I stay here longer, we will really argue.
Well, go your way. I won't leave you go from this wood until you have your deserved punishment. My gentle pup, come here. Bring me Cupido's flower, the herb I sold you once, which use put on the eyelids while sleeping will make a man or woman love madly the next creature that they see. Bring me this herb and come back here again as fast as you can.
I can go.
Once I have this juice, I'll watch Titania when she is asleep, and I'll drop the juice in her eyes. And the next thing that she sees next to her when she wakes up, be it a lion, bear, wolf, or bull, she will follow it with the soul of love. And before she wakes up from this enchantment, as I can take it with another herb, I'll make her give her servant to me. But, oh, who comes here? I'm invisible, and I will overhear what they are saying.
I don't love you, so don't follow me. Where are Lysander and fair Hermia? The one I hate, and the other who loves me not. I cannot meet my Hermia, so go away and don't follow me anymore.
You attract me. If you didn't have this power of attraction, I won't follow you.
Do I tell you words of love? Do I tell you fair? Or rather, don't I tell you in the simplest way that I don't love you and that I can't love you?
The more you don't love me, the more I love you, because I am sick when I don't see you.
And I'm sick when I see you.
Poor Elena. Before he leaves this forest, he will look for your love. Have you got the flower here? Welcome.
Here it is.
I'll drop the juice of this on Titania's eyes, and it will make her have crazy fantasies. Take you some of it, and look in the forest. If you see a sweet Athenian lady who is in love with a boy who doesn't love her, put some drop on his eyes. But do it when the lady is next to him. You will know the man by his Athenian clothes.
Don't worry, my lord, your servants will do so.
The night has come and it's time to rest. But let me tell you, Lysander, to sleep separately until we get married, to keep the honor and the modesty, according to a virtuous bachelor and a maid.
Hermia, if you think it is good, we sleep distant. And good night, sweet friend, because your love will last until the end of your life.
Who is here? He is wearing Athens clothes. So, this is the person my master said. And here is the lady, sleeping deeply on the ground. Pretty soul. She is not sleeping near the person who doesn't love her. So, I'll drop this juice on his eyes. And when he wakes up, he will fall in love with her.
Let's rest, Sir Demetrius.
You stay here and don't follow me anymore.
Will you leave me alone here? In this dark forest? Don't do it, please.
You stay here, on your own. I will go.
Oh, I am out of breath of following him. But who is here? Lysander, on the ground, dead or asleep? I don't see blood or wound. Lysander, if you live, good sir, awake!
I will run through the fire for your sweet love, beautiful Helena. Nature so sad in you, that through your bosom makes me your heart. Where is Demetrius? Oh, what a name. This man is in danger of dying on my sword.
Do not say so, Lysander. What's the problem that he loved your Hermia? Lord, what's the problem? Because Hermia still loves you? Then be happy.
Happy with Hermia? No, I want to forget the tedious minutes I have spent with her. It is not Hermia who I love, but Helena.
I thought you were more gentle. Oh, poor lady, being refused for the man she loves.
She didn't see Hermia, who is sleeping here. Hermia never approached me, because now all my desire is addressed to love and honor Helena, and to be her knight.
Lysander, what? Where are you? Lysander, Lord! What? Out of hearing? Gone? No sound? No word? I prefer death if I don't find him immediately.
Come close. This is the same Athenian.
This is the woman, but he is not the man.
Oh, why do you refuse me if I love you so?
If you have killed Lysander in his sleep, kill me too. It can only be you who murdered him. You are a coward, you killed him while he was sleeping, and you didn't do it when he was awake. Oh, brave thought.
I am not guilty of Lysander's blood. As far as I know, he is not dead.
What have you done? You did a big mistake. You laid the love juice on some true love side. Go through the wood faster than the wind, and find Helena of Athens. We have to change this charm.
I go. Look how I go.
Flower of this purple color, hid with Cupid's archery, sing in the apple of his eye. When he sees his love, let her shine as gloriously as the Venus of the sky. When you wake, if she is by, beg of her for remedy.
Captain of Fairy Band. Elena is not here.
Stand aside. The noise we make will wake up Demetrius.
Why should you think that I escort you? I love you and hate Hermia. Demetrius loves her, and he doesn't love you.
Oh, Helena, goddess, nymph, perfect, divine. Oh, let me kiss this princess of pure white.
Oh spite, oh hell, I see both of you are making fun of me. If you are a noble man, you will not do me so much injury. I am sure you hate me with your heart. You both are rivals, because you both love Hermia. And now, you both are laughing at me.
You are unkind, Demetrius. Don't be so. Because you love Hermia. You know, I know. I renounce to Hermia's love for you.
Lysander, keep with Hermia. I don't want her. If I ever loved her, all that love is gone. My heart has returned to Helena.
Lysander, why so unkindly you left me alone?
Why should I stay? My love tells me no.
What love could tell Lysander all from myself?
Lysander's love for fair Helena. Why are you following me? The hate I have for you makes me leave you so.
You don't speak as you think. It cannot be.
Look, she's also making fun of me. Will you leave your old love apart and join all those men who make fun of me, your poor friend?
I am amazed at your passionate words. I don't make fun of you. It seems that you make fun of me.
I can't believe my ears. If you have any pity or consideration to me, you wouldn't do this to me. But goodbye. This is in part my fault that death or absence will soon remedy.
Stay gentle, Helena. Hear my excuse, my love, my life, my soul. For Helena.
Oh, excellent. Sweet, don't make fun of her like that.
If you, Hermia, can't do anything, I will make him stop this.
Helen, I love you. By my life I do. I swear by this love, which I will lose for you. To prove that what he says is false or he doesn't love you.
I say I love you more than he can do.
If you say so, follow me and prove it.
Quick, come.
Lysander, what are you going to do?
Go away.
You pretend not to love Hermia, but you remain and don't come to fight. You're a weak man.
Stand aside, you cat, or I'll keep you away like a snake.
Why you became so rude? What change is this? Sweet love.
Your love, out with it. Out, hated potion.
Are you joking?
Yes, really. And so do you.
Demetrius, I will keep my word with you. What should I do with her? Strike her? Kill her? No, I hate her. I don't want to hurt.
What can you do me greater harm than hate? Hate me? Why me? What is this news? My love. Are you not Lysander? You thief of love. You came at night and stole his love for me?
Let's go and fight.
Follow, I will go with you.
You, mistress, you are the cause of all of this. No, don't go.
I don't trust you. I don't want to be with you anymore.
I am amazed. I don't know what to think.
This is the effect of your negligence. You made a lot of mistakes.
Believe me, King of Shadow, I mistook. Didn't you tell me that I would know the man by his Athenian clothes? I am not to blame. I have done well my work. I have put the juice on the Athenian pies, and I am happy because I love a lot with these people fight.
But these lovers are looking for a place to fight. Create a big fog to mistake them, and restore peace between them.
Where are you, Bro Demetrius? I can see you. Speak now.
Here, Villian. I am ready. Where are you?
I will be with you immediately.
Follow me, then. Lysander, speak again. I can see you with this fog. You ran away. You coward. Are you here? Speak. In some bus? Where are you hidden?
You coward. Come here, you child.
Yes. Are you there?
Follow my voice. This is not the best place to prove our manhood.
He's before me, and when I come where he calls, then he's gone. The villain is much faster than me. I follow him fast, but he flies faster. I'm very tired of running, and I will rest here.
Coward.
Why aren't you coming?
Where are you? For I swear that you are running before me. But you are not standing in the same place, and you are now looking at me. Where are you now?
Come, I am here.
No, you are making fun of me. I like to see your face in the daylight. Now, go away. I'm getting asleep, and I'm going to rest in this cold bed until the day comes.
On the ground, sleep sound, I play, to your eye, gentle lover, remedy.
Now, my Titania, wake up, my sweet queen.
My Oberon, what visions have I seen? I thought I was in love with an ass.
Here is your love.
Now, when you wake up, you will see back with your own silly eyes.
Sound, music. Come, my queen, hold my hands, see where these sleepers are. Now, you and me in new friendship, and tomorrow by midnight we will dance in Duke Theseus' house, triumphantly, and bless it to all fair prosperity. And there the faithful couples in front of Theseus will be together in happiness.
Fair kings, listen and mark, I do hear the morning lark.
But listen, what nymphs are these?
My lord, this is my daughter here asleep, and this Lysander, this Demetrius is, this Helena. I wonder why are they here all together.
Say, Zeus, is not this the day in which Hermia should give us an answer of his choice?
It is, my lord.
I know you two are rival enemies. How it is that you are all sleeping together? Your hate is so far from jealousy. Aren't you sleeping together your enemy?
My lord, I am also surprised, half asleep, half awake, but I swear I cannot truly say how I came here. But as I think, I came with Hermia here. Our intention was to escape from Athens, where we might be together without the peril of the Athenian law.
All right, my lord. You have enough. I beg the law. I beg the law on his head. They wanted to run away. They wanted to steal your wife, Demetrius, and offend me in my will, that she should be your wife.
My lord, fair Helena told me of their plan to go to this booth, and then in fury, I followed them up to here. And Helena also followed me. This same purpose, I followed them furiously here to this booth, and I can't understand why my love for Hermia has vanished, and now my love for Helena has come back. And I love her, I wish her, I long for her, and my heart will always be hers.
Fair lovers, fortunately you met again. James, you must accept their desire, and this couple will be in this Templar in an eternal love united.
Are you sure that we are awake? It seems to me that we are still sleeping. We are dreaming. Don't you think the Duke was here and told us to follow him?
Yes, he was, and my father too.
And Hippolyta.
And he told us to follow them to the temple.
So we are awake. Let's follow him. And on the way, we tell each other our dreams.
Thank you.